Now let us see this functional group of alcohol and aldehyde. When you see this alcohol and aldehyde, alcohol functional group is OH, so we have to add the letter OL. So example, methane is there means instead of E we have to add the letter OL. So if it contain one carbon atom with OH group, it will be known as methanol. It is known as methanol. So what is the formula of methanol? It contain methane means it contain one carbon. So all means OH should be there. So in a methane group, you have to remove one hydrogen and we have to add OH group. So what is the formula for methane? CH4. What is the formula for methane? CH4. So you have to remove the letter E and you have to add the letter OL. What is the functional group of alcohol? OH is the functional group of alcohol. Methane means you know that it contains one carbon. So all the four sides what should be there? Hydrogen should be there. Now what are you going to do? You are removing one hydrogen and you are adding OH. So this OH is a functional group and that's only known as heteroatom, and also it is known as heteroatom. And remaining other side hydrogen is there. So you don't think that OH is not attached. O is differed with separated by a bond with hydrogen atom. So when we write, we will write as a OH, but in between oxygen and hydrogen what is present? Bond is present. Now you see, count the number of valencies around the carbon. 4 are there. So near oxygen, how many valencies are there? 2 valency. Near carbon 1 bond and near hydrogen 1 bond. So what is the formula? CH3OH. So how many hydrogen are there? 3 hydrogen are there. So CH3OH is the formula for methanol. Next you see ethanol. If you see that ethanol, what is the formula for ethanol? Ethanol means you know that it contains 2 carbon atom. If it contains 2 carbon atom with the functional group OH, it is named as ethanol. What is the formula? See the number of bond around the carbon. In first carbon, 4 bonds are there. 3 hydrogen bond, another one with carbon bond. When you see this ethanol, second carbon atom, it also contains with 4 bond, one with carbon, another one with hydrogen, another one with oxygen, another one with hydrogen. So when you see this oxygen also bonded with, what is the valency of oxygen? 2. So it should be combined with 2 elements. So here oxygen is combined with carbon and hydrogen. So if you see the hydrogen, all the hydrogen is having one valency, so it is combining with one bond is present between hydrogen. So this is a formula for structure of ethanol. Draw the structure of methanol. Draw the structure of ethanol means you have to draw in such a way. So CH3CH2OH is the formula for ethanol. What is the formula for ethanol? CH3CH2OH. Why we are writing ethanol? 2 carbon atom. Why we are writing OL? It contains OH group. So if it contains OH group with 2 carbon atom, we will name it as a ethanol. So in such a way we can write propanol and butanol. So this is the formula for propanol and butanol. It's a structure for propanol and butanol. When you see this formula of propanol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Formula for butanol, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. And this is structure and formula for butanol. What is the molecular formula of propanol? C3H7OH. C3H7OH. What is the formula for butanol? C4. How many hydrogen are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So C4, 9 hydrogen and OH. C4H9OH is the formula for molecular formula for butanol. C4H9 H9OH is the molecular formula for butanol. So molecular formula shows that how many molecules are present in that. Structure shows that how that elements are combined with a bond, that is known as structure. Next one is aldehyde. What is the functional group of aldehyde? CHO. When you see that CHO, it will be present in such a way. C double bond OH. So, one in the CHO group, one hydrogen will be with carbon and oxygen also will be in carbon. So, you know that valency of oxygen is 2. So, in between carbon and oxygen there is 2 double bond is present in aldehyde group. So, commonly we will say CHO is a functional group of aldehyde, but it can be written as C double bond OH. So, which letter we have to add? We have to add the letter AL. We have to add the letter AL. So, L. Aldehyde is present means we have to add the letter L, aldehyde. So, first example, methane. So, now what happened? If you take a carbon, one carbon, and if you remove all those and if you attach this CHO group, you will be getting a first member, that is methanol. That is methanol. So, methanol formula is HCHO is methanol. Ethanol formula is methane with CHO group. So, here you have to count this carbon also. What carbon is present in functional group, that also we have to count. So, when you see that methanol contain one carbon atom. So, when you are writing the formula for aldehyde of first member, methanol is the first member. So, the formula for methanol is HC double bond OH. CHO is the functional group of aldehyde. CHO is a functional group of aldehyde. So, when you see this, methanol formula is C double bond OH and here also H. So, all you know that 4 bonds should be there around the carbon. Now, what is the formula? HCHO. How to write the formula? CHO is a functional group, so that we should not separate. So, HCHO is the formula for methanol. You know another one important thing, methanol only known as formaldehyde. Have you heard about formaldehyde? Formaldehyde is used for preserving the specimen in biological lab. In biology lab only we are preserving specimen in methanol, formaldehyde. We are preserving the specimen in formaldehyde. You might have seen the specimen box. Some plant and some animals are preserved in a specimen bottle. So inside the specimen bottle, which chemical is present? Formaldehyde is present. What is the formula for formaldehyde? HCHO. What is the structure? The shown one is the structure. So you practice the structure. What is the functional group? Aldehyde is a functional group. Next one is ethanol. You know that ethanol means how many carbons should be there? It should contain 2 carbon. So if it contains 2 carbon with CHO group, then it is known as ethanol. When you see this ethanol, CH3CHO is the molecular formula for ethanol. CH3CHO is the molecular formula for ethanol. So, here in aldehyde group, we have to count the number of carbon along with the functional group carbon. Here, how many carbon is there? 2 carbons are there. So, we have to name it as a ethanol. Next, propanol. This is the formula for propanol. This is the formula and structure for propanol. Could you write for butanol? How to write the formula for butanol? Write the formula for butanol.